is the lineup. MAKRODIMITRIS of Greece, PANIBRATETS of Ukraine, ZOU, LIU, PALAMARCHUK, Yang, BONDARENKO and CZECH. 40-year-old Polish swimmer Jacek among the fastest times in the world this year, coming into the Paralympic Games with a 2:24.83 in qualifying. 25-year-old Aristeidis MAKRODIMITRIS, bronze medalist in 2012. He goes in lane 1. Silver and 2 bronze in London. He'll have to have some swim if he is to medal here. Roman Bondarenko, the 32-year-old Ukrainian, goes in lane 7. 2:14.94 in the preliminaries. Ievgen PANIBRATETS of Ukraine at his second Paralympic Games, the 32-year-old. Going in lane 2. 19-year-old Yang, a 4-time Paralympic champion. He won all 4 golds in London 4 years ago. He's a 2-time world champion. But he saw his records and statistics smashed earlier today. Breaking the world record in Heat 1 of the men's 100 backstroke S2 preliminaries. The 21-year-old Chinese swimmer goes in 3. Serhii PALAMARCHUK of Ukraine, 27-year-old world champion. And LIU Benying, who broke the world record that had been set in Heat 1 when he absolutely smashed it in Heat 2. A 1:50.67, his qualifying time. Having, as a result, set the Paralympic and world record simultaneously. Injured in a car accident at the age of 8, the 20-year-old from Sichuan. Set a world record in the heats, looking to bring back gold for the People's Republic of China. 4 medals already for China on day 1 of competition. This for a first medal on day 2. Well, look out for LIU Benying going in lane 4. Doesn't get off to the best of starts, but within a couple of strokes, he's already hit a very fine stroke rate. Going along very strongly in 3 is ZOU Liankang, the 21-year-old. He also started with a world record in the heats, and he's looking to take the race to his compatriot. Going in lane 5, though, PALAMARCHUK is not to be left behind.
Well, ZOU Liankang seeded after the qualifiers 8 seconds slower than his compatriot LIU Benying. So it's quite surprising just what rate he's taking this first 50 on at, and he's going to be first into the turn. This is a very brave swim indeed by the young athlete. He turns first ahead of the favorite LIU Benying. So it is ZOU Liankang ahead of his teammate LIU Benying, and just off the mark in 3rd. PALAMARCHUK, the Ukrainian, and now it looks like they're evening out, but actually ZOU still with that lead, and he's looking strong in that position.
Looking very strong. The 21-year-old going in lane 3 is holding on to that advantage. LIU Benying is coming into his own, but he can turn it on in the closing stages. He's proved that already. Now being left behind, PALAMARCHUK, a man who's continuing his sports studies. He trains 7 days a week, but it's not going to be enough to win the gold medal here. ZOU Liankang, who broke the world record in the first heat, then had it annihilated by LIU Benying, is going to see a little measure of redemption here, because he's going to hold on and he's going to break the world record once again. He turned in 49.52. China will claim a 1-2, but another world record for ZOU Liankang. The 21-year-old touches ahead of his compatriot LIU Benying, while PALAMARCHUK of Ukraine takes the bronze. Well, you couldn't call it an upset, but it was another captivating performance and an astonishing race by ZOU Liankang. The world record has been bettered once again. A 1:45.25. MAKRODIMITRIS of Greece coming home. Lost a touch. But ZOU Liankang, he only started swimming after his mother's friend recommended he try it. And now he is a Paralympic champion in his first major international competition. LIU Benying, a silver medal, having beaten the world champion Serhii PALAMARCHUK. 5 medals at the 2014 European Championships for PALAMARCHUK. Still in the pool.
Well, that was incredible swimming. Seeded 8 seconds slower. ZOU Liankang was over his teammate LIU Benying after the qualifiers, the heats, and went and swam 13 seconds quicker than his time that he posted earlier on. He must have known he had it in him. Saved the best for the final and annihilated that world record. That face says it all.
Well, delightful ZOU Liankang, a world record time as he claims victory